and welcome back. We are learning loops and conditionals in JavaScript. We have seen if else, while, for loop, for in and for off so far. In today's lecture, we will be learning about break statements in detail. Now, since you have already seen the break statement in the switch case, this concept is not brand new to you. You will easily understand it. But before moving forward, let us see the agenda. At first, we will see the meaning of the break statement and then the example and the explanation of the example. So without wasting any more time, let us get started. The break statement allows the control to jump out of the code. In the switch case, as you have seen, there are some cases with some code, and in every case, there is a break statement. If the condition matches with any case, the control jumps out of the loop, and we can see the output on the console. Cases after that specific case do not get displayed. It will stop the execution of the code. Let us see a simple example. Let us see what we have done in the code. In the for loop, we are going to display the numbers 1 to 10. We initialized the I to 1, so the numbers are going to be displayed from 1. In the is-a statement, we are saying that when the value of I becomes 5, the control should go into the code block of the if statement. In the code block of the if statement, we have given a break. That means whenever the value of I becomes 5, the control is going to jump out of the loop, and it will not display the rest of the numbers in the loop. Because of JavaScript's speed and features, it is the most favorite programming language amongst the programmers. And we are diving into the same concepts. In today's lecture, we are about to see a similar concept that is called continue. But first of all, let us see the agenda of this lecture. Initially, we will see the meaning of continue statement and syntax. Then, the difference between break and continue. After that, we will see examples of continue using for loop, while loop, and an array. Lastly, there is an assignment for you. So, what exactly is a continue statement? Continue statement allows the control to break just for once when a specific condition is true, and it continues with the next iteration in the loop. Now, you can say that instead of jumping out of the loop, it jumps over the loop. Syntax of the continue statement is on your screen. Script, continue, label, script. The label is optional and it is rarely used. You just have to use the continue keyword in the code to jump over the loop. Now, the main difference between break and continue is that break statement exits the loop when a condition satisfies. Continue statement skips that one iteration when the condition is true and continues with the rest of the execution. Now, let us take a simple example to understand the loop. We have used the continue and for loop together. We want to loop through the numbers till 5. After initializing I to 1, we have taken an if condition that states that whenever I is going to be equal to 3, the loop has to skip over and continue with the next iteration. Now let us take another example using array. You all know how to iterate through an array using for loop. We take the length of the array and display each item using the variable I. In the above example, we did the same, but we took an if condition that states that whenever I is going to be banana, the loop will skip it. So the output is apple, orange, and kiwi. Now let us take a while loop and see how it is used. You know how a while loop works. Well, there is a little bit of a difference between a while loop and a for loop when it comes to the continue statement. In for loop, the incrementation is done first, then the condition is checked, and it is seen if there should be any further iterations. In the while loop, first the condition is checked, and then the further iteration is done if possible. So this is the concept of continue, and I'm pretty sure that you have got a clear understanding of it. Here is an assignment for your practice, and I definitely know that you will be able to solve it easily. Apply the continue statement and skip the third item in the array. Well, that is it for today. I hope you understood all of it. I really cannot wait to meet you in the next lecture. Till then, bye. Take care.